In today's video, I will teach you how to master the split toning in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first step is understanding split toning. Split toning allows you to apply different colors to highlights, the shadows, which affects the darkest areas, and midtones to add color to the middle tones. Split toning is great for golden hour warms, cool blue tones, or moody cinematic looks. The second step is applying the color to highlights and shadows. To do this, start by opening the color grading panel, then adjust the highlights color for warm or cool tints. Then adjust the shadows color for contrast. Then use the midtones wheel to balance color. Then adjust the blending slider to control how smoothly the colors blend. You can also hold Alt or the Option key while dragging the Hue slider to see full saturation preview. And here are some popular split toning effects. For a warm vintage look or golden hour, you can add a warm orange for the highlights. And set the shadows to deep brown. And for a cool cinematic look, you can use a soft blue for highlights and deep teal for shadows. And for a moody film look, you can set the highlights to muted yellow and shadows to faded purple. But make sure to keep the saturation low for natural results because too much can look unnatural. Now, you can adjust the balance slider. With this, you can push color emphasis towards highlights or shadows. And you can also lower the saturation for subtle toning. Then save it as a preset for fast future edits. And you can use the before and after or simply press the backward slash key to compare changes and refine your tones. By mastering split toning, you can transform your photos with artistic color grading, perfect for cinematic, vintage, or stylized edits. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.